How to resolve duplicate resource errors in your Android app. Developing an Android app often involves dealing with various resources like images, strings, and layouts. Sometimes, developers encounter duplicate resource errors which can be quite frustrating. These errors occur when the same resource name or identifier exists more than once in your project. Here's a guide on how to identify and resolve these issues efficiently. Identifying the error. When an Android app has duplicate resources, the Android Studio IDE will usually flag this as an error during the build process. The error message will look something like this. This message typically further points to the exact resource names and locations that have been duplicated. Common causes. Copy-pasting resources. Sometimes, developers might copy entire resource folders, including their contents, leading to duplicate files. Theme and style definitions. Defining themes or styles that inadvertently contain the same attributes under the same name. Library conflicts. Adding multiple libraries that contain resources with identical names can lead to these conflicts. Steps to resolve duplicate resource errors. 1. Locate the duplicate resource. Android Studio will usually highlight the duplicate resources in the error message. Navigate to the paths listed in the error message to identify the duplicate entries. 2. Rename or remove duplicates. Once you've located the duplicate resources, decide whether you need both items. If not, removing the unnecessary duplicate is a straightforward solution. If both resources are necessary but serve different purposes, consider renaming one of them to avoid conflicts. For example, if you have two files named activity_main.xml, you might rename one to activity_main_v2.xml. 3. Utilize unique identifiers. When renaming, ensure you use unique and descriptive identifiers. This helps maintain clearer organization within your project and prevents future confusion. 4. Check for theme/style conflicts. For theme or style conflicts, examine the attribute names and ensure there is no overlap. 5. Resolve library conflicts. If the issue arises due to libraries with conflicting resource names, you may need to modify how these libraries are integrated or look for alternative libraries that don't conflict. Alternatively, using dynamic prefixes can help. Conclusion. Duplicate resource errors in your Android app can disrupt development and build processes, but they can be resolved by systematically identifying and addressing the conflicting resources. Ensuring well-organized and uniquely named resources is key to avoiding these issues in the future. With these steps, resolving duplicate resources will be a smoother process, allowing you to focus more on enhancing the functionality and user experience of your app.